Hello everyone, I'm Hollis. Continue last course. Today I will introduce for you a ship design which is about the advanced parameter of the narrowing code. Find the craft data on the toolbar, click. Then click the advanced button. The advanced setting interface will pop up. The front knitting and back knitting refer to the main body, left side narrowing code, and the right side narrowing code. The color left side narrowing code, and the right side narrowing code, and the edge marks left narrowing code and right narrowing code. The figures below the main body and color mean the number of the narrowing code. When some needle carried out transfer action, we should select a narrowing code. Here are two modes of narrowing code. One mode is transfer first and then shifting. Another mode is shifting first and then transfer. When in the left narrowing, for the front knitting, use from 7.1 to 7.7 narrowing code. For narrowing in knitting with transfer first and then shifting, use 8889 9899 narrowing code. For narrowing in knitting with shifting first and then transfer. For back knitting, use from 9.1 to 9.7 narrowing code. For narrowing in knitting with transfer first and then shifting, use 105, 106, 107, and 108 narrowing code. For narrowing in knitting with shifting first and then transfer. When in the right narrowing, for front knitting, use from 6.1 to 6.7 narrowing code. For narrowing knitting with transfer first and then shifting, use from 101 to 104 narrowing code. For narrowing in knitting with transfer with shifting first and then transfer. For back knitting, use from 8.1 to 8.7 narrowing code. For narrowing knitting with transfer first and then shifting, use 109, 113, 114, 115 narrowing code. For narrowing knitting with shifting first and then transfer. Here narrowing codes. You can check by yourself and find the difference. The narrowing code can change as you are required. For example, when 3 narrowing, we change the narrowing code into 8.9 narrowing code. And the other narrowing code you also change it according to your required. Next, let's check the result. You see, this area narrowing needles has changed into 9.8 narrowing code. The left side narrowing code. The right side narrowing code of the main body. The left side narrowing code. And the right side narrowing code of the neck. The edge marks narrowing code. You see the using narrowing code or the site narrowing code. When you want to use backknitting, you can find the back main body left side and right side narrowing code already set. The collar left side and right side narrowing code also already set, and the edge marks already set. Click here, input number 2 code. Let's check. You see the main body has changed. The left narrowing code. The right side narrowing code. The left side of neck narrowing code. The right side of neck narrowing code. For the next, I will introduce for you what is the overall narrowing. Click the other option. Here is the overall narrowing. It refers to the place of the flat narrowing in the process sheet area. The overall narrowing including single needles, double needles, main yarn dolphin, cast or with yarn. Here with selection double needles is bad for overall narrow needles. You see, from here to there, narrow needles, it belongs to the overall narrowing, the left side overall narrowing, the right side overall narrowing, the neck narrowing mode and the body narrowing mode can be divided into 2 modes. One is normal, another is ladder or stepping. When we selection normal mode, the narrowing needles can complete it at one time. You see. When you selection ladder or stepping, let's check again. You see, here narrow needles, no change. Only here narrow needles changed. Right narrowing needles same. You see. narrowing needles only effective for without edge. Only edge 0 is effective, edge 4 or other value not effective. Edge 4, edge 0, let's check. You see, edge 4, needles not changed. Not changed. Edge 0 needles changed. Next, let's change the neck narrowing mode. Let's check again. You see, the left side and the right side of the neck narrowing has changed. Generally, narrowing 1 or 2 needles with selection narrowing mode. Narrow 3 or more needles with selection ladder or stepping narrowing mode. Recover the default value. Refer to use the original value. You see, the switch code refer to for code with transfer first and then shifting are switched into for shifting first and then transfer. So far, today's course is over. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye, everyone.